Hello children, in this video we are going to learn exercise 7.3 question number 6. This is the last question of this exercise. The question is here, AB is a line segment, C and D are points on opposite side of AB. Look at in the figure, AB is a line segment and C and D are 2 points on the opposite side of AB. One is up, another one is below that, but condition is such that each of them is equidistant from A. This point D and C, these two are equidistant from A and B from this also. So, what is the distance of, we can say the length of AC, that is the distance between point A and C, and what is the distance between BC, these two are equal. Then D is also from A and B, these distance are equal. So, this is very important thing given here. With that help only we are going to prove. What is there to prove or to show? The line CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So, when this line is joined, this will be bisecting these two lines, that means AP and PB will be equal, and also it will be perpendicular, it will make here 90-degree angle. That is the meaning of perpendicular bisector. I hope you have understood. Once more, AB is a line, C and D are the 2 points on the opposite of the side AB, but condition is what? That point C and D are equidistant from point A and B. So, that two AC and BC are equal and AD and DB are equal. So, let us start. We will work first. We are seeing this triangle. In this triangle, what is the name? ACD. Another this triangle BCD. We start the work. We write whether ACD or CAD, BCD or CBD, no matter. We know already how to write the names of lines, angles or triangles. So, in these two triangle, in CAD and CBD, this triangle and this triangle, we are going to search the congruence. We are going to search the congruence property we can use here or not in these two triangle. So, very clearly we see in this triangle AC and in another triangle BC, these two sides are equal. So, we just write here CA is equal to CB, it is given. Then another one, what we find in this triangle AD and in another triangle BD are equal, that is also given, and CD and CD, this line is common in both the triangles. So, very simple, side congruence condition, the two triangles are congruent, CAD and CBD. Triangles are congruent, that means these two triangles are congruent. So, there every corresponding part will be equal. So, ACD, I mean this angle, and BCD, we are getting here these two angle will be equal, these two corresponding angle will be equal, this angle also will be equal, but we do not need to go in all the corresponding part. What we need, we just bring it out from the figure and write. So, we got these two angle will be equal. After that, we will work in these two triangle ACP and BCP. In these two triangle, what we see? We see AC and BC are equal. So, CA or CB or AC or CB, that is given. Then just now we have proved here what? This angle ACP, or we call it ACD, that is the same angle, and BCP or BCD, we write that ACP is equal to BCP, but here what we have proved? ACD and BCD. Remember, these two are same angle. If we call ACP, or we just bring it to D, but angle is here only. So, ACP is equal to angle BCP, proved above. From here only we are getting this, and CP is common in both triangle. So, these two triangle also by SAS congruence condition, two corresponding side and one included angle are equal. So, triangles are congruent. So, these two triangles are congruent, that means this angle and this angle also will be equal. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So, these two triangles, this AP will be equal to PB and these two angle also will be equal, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. What will be the measurement? We do not know, but we are coming to know these two are equal. So, we take the measurement, let it be x, both angle is x. So, APC x, BPC also x plus x 2x. 2x is equal to 180 degree, x is equal to 90 degree. So, here we proved AP and BP are equal, these two parts are equal, that means this line is bisecting, and at this step we prove this angle is 90. So, we can say that the line CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Hope you have understood, only the congruence condition we are using. Now, in next video we will see exercise 7.4. See you.